Good morning, everyone. So we are on Thursday, 14th May. Are you able to hear me? Can you hear me? So I'm just opening two applications. One is the TradingTree. What you're seeing is the TradingTree application. This is a charting software. Now the other application what we have is an Excel based. That is Microsoft Excel 2000 based. Here we have the prices for 30 scripts, which we'll be getting at 9:15. What you'll have to do is you'll have to just click on the current day data, and then you'll be getting the data feed here, and you'll be getting given both the buy and the sell entry prices with their targets. So this is purely intraday, but whereas in case of trading tree, you'll be able to do both intraday and positional calls. So these are some of the calls that I have already decided the prices.
There is a buy call in Arvin 1.
Okay, we have a buy call in Arvin. So that is on trading tree, what we saw that. But here I'll have to take the current day data at 9:15. So both the applications are different. I'm trying to show both of them at a single time. So you can just see at the left bottom corner, your prices are getting updated. So now that is done. So I just click on the auto refresh on button, and then we get the prices for the scripts. And you can see that for some scripts, you have this X symbol, into symbol in red. That means that particular script is not ready for trading still. But whereas you can see, okay, the market has already fallen. So we'll have to just wait for some time. But otherwise, S Bank is in sell call. Maruti, we have a sell. So whichever scripts open as gap down, that is beyond their intermediate target levels, we will not be trading in those scripts. Like you can see Infosys or these scripts, other scripts like Tata Motors, RL Infra, JP Associates, these scripts we are yet to get the data. We'll again click the current day data button again at 9:20 for that. So let's just come to the trading tree charts. So Arvind, we had a buy call. So Arvind, this is the right price to buy, 260. So we have already placed the order here at 260. We will buy. And for the rest of the trades, so ACC is gap down. Same thing with Adani. Adani ports, we should be getting a sell call. We can short Adani ports at this price, 334.30. So we'll wait till 9:20. We should be getting some calls on trading tree also. So that's 64 points down. We should be getting some sell calls. Ashok Leyland, you can short it at 67.80. So 67.80, you can short Ashok Leyland. Asian Paint, you can short it at this level, 756. So that's a gap down for Arvind Pharma. You can short at this level, 1314.
There is a sell call in ADM NIPOR1. There is a sell call in ADM NIPOW1. There is a sell call in ALBK1. There is a sell call in ACDEX1. There is a sell call in AMBUJACPM1. There is a sell call in ABHR. There is a sell call in APO. There is a sell call in A1R. There is a sell call. There is a sell call in ANR. There is a sell call in WICR. There is a sell call. There is a sell call in LICHF. There is a sell call. 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 There is a sell call.
So this is something
there is a sell call in PTC1.
That will happen in case if you open too many charts. So I have opened around 70 or 75 charts. So I have got calls in almost most of them. Now you can always keep track of your calls here. You just go to the NinjaTrader, file new alerts. So all your calls that are generated from morning will be stored in this particular window. So now we have calls. So let's just check and place the trades. So ACC, you can short it below this. This is an support here. We have the support. So 1452, we can short ACC. Adani Ports will short it at this level. We already taken this price. Adani Power. So you have the S1s. So since you would have seen the yesterday's market and the open today, I think it will be better to be a bit careful while placing the trades, because we have seen 100% 100 points rise yesterday and then 100 points down, and then again it rose 100 points. So it's always better to be safe. So you can always place your trades. For Adani Power, you'll have to place it at 40.10. So you can see that most of the scripts what we have opened, we have the sell calls and we have the strong support and resistance lines quite near to that. So Ambuja will short it at 230.40. Andhra Bank we can short it at 75.40.
Sir, can you speak Tamil?
I can speak Tamil, but the problem is I have other people who want it in Hindi also.
Okay, sir.
So that will be a bit difficult. So I think let's stick on to English itself. 1323 for Arvindo Pharma, there we can short it. Access will wait. So I think it's better to wait for some time and then pick the calls. Nifty is 74 points down. So that's Bank Nifty. Sorry, we'll have to get the prices for this. So most of them are gap down opens. So let's wait till we get some calls. Tata Steel, we have a buy. DLF, we have a sell. Bharat Forge, you can short it here. 1225.50. $382.40. Bharti Airtel. BHL will wait for some time. 221.90. And in case if you are getting confused, what you can always do is you can keep a track of Nifty on this particular site. So this is what usually I do. So I very clearly know when the market is going to fall or it's going to rise. You can just keep a track like this. You'll be able to trade better. Okay, in India, you can short it at 199.20. Century Textiles, you can short it at this 615.90. So Cipla, we had a buy here. I'll just show you. $683.20. Now it is at 687.25. Crompton, you can buy above 175.20. DLF, you can short it. We have already placed the trigger here. DLF 124.20. Now it is at 123.40. Arvind 260, I think we have already seen that. 260 is the trigger. So once it goes beyond, crosses that, then you can start booking your profits. Dr. Reddy, you can buy it at this level, 3537. Federal Bank, you can short it below this, 130.30, 130.30. So it's not necessary that you'll have to open all the charts. It's my habit that I open all this, keep a track of them. You can just open the charts which you are comfortable and which you regularly trade on, and then you'll be getting the calls only in those charts. Levels you can short, I'll give you the price, 276.40.
There is a buy call in MBPS 1. There is a buy call in Hindoco 1.
So we have some buy calls.
There is a sell call in PEDROMB 1.
So Ambuja, we have a buy. You can buy at this level, current level. I think it's a good trade. 238 should be your first profit. So I have just put it on 30 minutes chart. Whenever you are in case if you are confused, you can always come back and see the what is the long-term trend for that particular stock. And then you can place your trades more confidently. So Hindalco, we have a buy. Yeah, you can buy Hindalco here, 135.30. Sorry, Mr. Mount. See, we had a robo, but that was a third-party application. We had white labeled that product, but the problem was the guy was not reliable. The guy who gave the robo, that guy is not reliable. When you get the data feed one day and 2 days the data feed is not there, then it becomes a really, I mean, it's very difficult to trade like that. So that's one of the reason why we discontinued them. You can book your first profit at 136.20 for Hindalco. So the market is moving up in case if you are observing it. So in case if you have multiple screens, you can always place this particular Nifty movement on real-time basis. It will become very easy for you to trade. So that's one of the reasons why I said let's wait till the market stabilizes. So I have seen around 70 points down. Now it is 40 points. So 30 points up. See, automation for TradingTree you won't need. I mean, you won't need in a sense. In case if you are opening 20 or 30 charts, you will get ample amount of time to place the trade. Yes, for Futurestree, yes, definitely we might go in for a robo. That will come later. Otherwise, we have an Adani Enterprises buy, Tata Steel buy. You can see how the markets have changed. SBI is a buy now. So you'll be seeing some buy calls here. Cipla, it's already final targets are done. I'll show you the Cipla chart. So we can see supply here. We had that price for supply at 683. It's 691 now. Tata Motors, you'll have to wait. It was a gap down open. Now it's moving up. So we'll wait for some more time on, for Tata Motors at least. Tata Motors and some other scripts. Hero MotoCo is a buy. Let's get the chart for that. You can see that here. We have a buy for Hero Moto at 2530. So whenever you get this calls in this fashion, that is, if you have a sell call right near to your support resistance or PP line, it's always better to avoid that call or try to place the call after it either crosses your resistance or support. It's Bank Nifty option. It's a call option. Jindal Steel, we had a buy. I will show you the price for that. 137.10. It's at 138.10 now. So these prices I have fixed it in the morning before the market opened. So once we open the charts before the market opens, we decide on the prices and then we can start placing the orders right from 9:15. The metal pack should be doing good. You can see that Jindal Steel, JSW Steel, and Tata Steel. JSW 896 was the buy. It is 904 now. In case if you are not able to view this, I will just decrease the font size. So JSW 896 was the buy. So it's at 904. We'll take even Tata Steel. Yesterday's buy call did not get triggered in Tata Steel. I think it will get triggered today. So that's what I was trying to tell you. You can see Tata Steel here. We have the price 362.70. Now it is at 365.05. So the metals are good today. And you should remember that Hindalco we already have a buy. So this buy call did not get triggered. This sell call has not triggered. So if you place the prices correctly, your call will either get triggered or it will not get triggered. Once it gets triggered, you should start booking your profits. Let's see, tech is a sell.
There is a buy call in Asian Bank 1. There is a buy call in Conbeach A1. There is a sell call in 08L and I81. There is a sell call in HCLTECH. There is a buy call in Hero Motoko 1.
So Hero
There is a buy call in Union Bank 1.
So PSU banks are up. Bank of India is a buy. Union Bank already has done its final targets. I'll show you the entry prices for Union Bank. $159. BA is buy above. SB is sell below. So buy above 159.60. So it's a buy call now. That's got triggered. Jubilant Food, our entry was 1568. So that has got triggered now. 1568.25. That's a chart here. 259, 260 is the entry. So this is the entry for Asian Paint. Doubles on 3.90. $515 for was the entry for UPL. Now it is at 521. Hello. 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 So in case if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. Or else you can short it at this level, 275.90. Can bank you can buy above 363. Yeah, I'll tell you the targets. Three 460 will be our first target. So with this, you'll be able to trade in equity. You'll be able to trade in futures and options. You'll get Nifty and Bank Nifty options. You can trade in MCX, that is the commodities, agri commodity, currency, and even forex also. Allahabad Bank, the entry is 102.90. Now it is at 102.65. Century Textiles, our entry was 616. Sorry, that is a sell call. So 616.20 is short. It has almost done at 711. You should be getting a buy call in Bank of India. Otherwise, same thing with Bank of Baroda. Syndicate Bank you can buy above 107.60. Your first target will be 109. BPCL, our entry for buy call was 742. Now it is at 747. So Bank of India, we have seen this buy call here. It's already done its intermediate targets. These are your target levels, and the percentage what you are seeing is the percentage of profits once on script makes an entry and reaches its target levels. PNB we have a sell, and your stop loss is right below your the name of the script, and against the name of the script you have the current prices. So 751 will be the first target, and your next target will be 756. We'll be getting a buy call in NBK. We already have entered this trade 102.90.
There is a buy call in WHA1.
So there it comes.
There is a buy call in Marathon 1. There is a buy call in Apple Tire 1. There is a buy call in Berkshire 1. There is a buy call in Tadacom 1.
So you can see the market slowly moving upwards. So Tatacom, Bharti Airtel, Apollo, ONGC, Bharat Forge, Bank of India, and ALVK. So you can check all those calls here. 382.40 is Bharti Airtel buy. It's now at 392, 10 rupees up, and you can see the volumes also. Bank of India, I have already given you the buy. So Apollo Tire 174.80 is the buy. It's 175.40. ONGC, we had given a sell call. Bharat Forge, let's place the order. You can buy at this price 1226, 1267. Buy above the R1 level 207.40. So when you have this R1 and the resistance and support lines close to your calls, always try to place your order above that or below that. So Asian Paint has done its first target, that is R1. We had an entry at 760, now it is at 779. Oh, sorry, that is a sell call. We have a buy here, 774. So Real Infra, we have this buy. Jindal Steel has done its R1. That is the first target. Jubilant Food, the entry is 1568. Now it is at 1569. So Real Infra has done its final targets here. We'll be getting a buy call here. Real Infra, our entry was 424.90. Now it is at 429. R power 54.50 is the entry. Now it is at 54.25. Run cap 396.60 is the entry. Now it is at 397.30. Tatacom, we had a buy call 433.65. Now it is at 437.10. Syndicate Bank buy is 107. Now it is at 107.85. Tata Steel is at 364.75. 362.70 is the entry. Union Bank 159.60 is the entry. SBI 273.70 was the entry. Now it is at 274.80. So 298.30 is the entry. Sorry, REC. Orcom 65 is the entry, and now it is at 65.60. So the market is picking up an uptrend. So you'll be able to see most of the calls making their profits here in what we have posted in the morning.
There is a buy.
So we have
Call
a buy.
in one. There is a buy call in there one.
So we have some buy calls here. Real Infra buy, IRB.
There is a buy call by NR call one.
So RCAP, RELCAP, RCOM, PNB. So IRB you can buy. Let me just give you the price. $234 you can buy now. BPCL has done its first target. So your next target is 755.60 or 755.80. Adani, our entry is 728.70. Ashok Leyland you can buy above this price 71.70. So Hindalco 135. Our buy for Hindalco was I think I already told you. So you can book a profit at 138, 136.20. So we have this buy call here in Futurestree also. So I'll show you one paid trading call which has exited today. So in case if you are worried about Nifty moving 100 points, swinging here and there, you can always think about trading in pairs. So I'll just show you one call which has exited today. It's ALBK and Union Bank. So this is a paid trading application what we have. So I'm just going to show you one particular trade which has given you good profits. So this is 10 years history of ALBK and Union Bank pair. So the call got generated on 7th, May 7th. So you had to short Allahabad Bank and you had to buy Union Bank. And this is calculated on one lot basis, one lot here and one lot here. And you can just see that the trade has closed.
There is a buy call in C1.
It's given you a profit of around 64,000 rupees. And this is the highest winning trade, the trade, current trade. And you can see the winning trade for this particular pair is 94%, almost negligible loss in the last 10 years. So in case if you are worried about Nifty swinging, then you can always do paid trading. So IDFC we have a buy. Hindalco I think it will make its target what we have placed. So 136, 136.20 was our target, first target. So IDFC we have this buy. You can buy at this price 160.20. That's the current, but IDFC we already placed an order at 159.80. So you'll be able to get all these calls before the market opens. You can use the same strategy what we are using, and you should be making a good amount of profits on an intraday basis. All these calls are intraday calls. That's what we are seeing before the market opened. So the second target for BPCL is already done, 756. $760 will be our next target. So 137 is the entry for Jindal. It's now at 140, 140. JSW is at 908. 896 was the entry. And as we were talking, the PSU banks were good today. And other than that, the metals also. Petro has done its intermediate target. So in case if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. Okay, goes 756 is done.
There is a buy call in Amber Bank 1. There is a buy call in Bank America 1. There is a buy call in Kale 1.
So we have buy in Gale, Bank of Baroda and Andhra Bank. If you want to buy this, you can buy at this R1 level, but we have placed the order for Bank of Baroda at 163.40. That is the entry. $77.30 is the entry for Andhra Bank. So this trade just took 4 days. 4 days, your investment is roughly around 1,20,000 of this pair, and you have made 60,000 rupees, 64,000 rupees. That is more than 50% returns on this particular trade. So first day it gave 9,000, second day it went up to 11, and day before yesterday it was 41,000, and yesterday it closed at 64,000 rupees. So this is your investment. So in case you are getting it 10 times, that is 1,20,000 will be your roughly your investment of this particular pair. So all the scripts at Union Bank have closed, and all the pairs that were with Union Bank was buy in all the trades. I will just show you that. So this also closed recently, Union Bank and Bank. Sorry, this. Union Bank, Bank of India closed recently. I'm sorry. We had short Bank of India here, and we bought Union Bank. So you can see this particular trade. So this started on April 27th. It went under loss, and then started giving you profits, and it closed on 12th of May. That is day before yesterday, with 25,000 rupees profit. So idea is very simple. This 3.19 should become 1. You'll have to wait till that time. So it has become 0.9794. So you have made your profits. So you'll be able to get perfect trades like this. You can place only trades which you are confident of. Confident in the sense you'll have to see the Z score. That is, this should be more than 2.7. This should be more than 70%. And then you can place that trade. So you have around 520 pairs. With different sectors, that is different groups. So it's roughly around 511 pairs. So on an average, you'll get around 2 calls in a day. That is for a year. So you'll be able to, in case if you have sufficient funds, then you will be able to trade in that. So this is why, this is the reason why I always keep this. You can also follow this. We know that the market fell and then it was rising up, and that's how we have traded today also. Market open, we did not pick any calls. We just waited, and most of the calls are in profits now. Maruti, the buy entry is at 3636. Now it is at 3610. SBI, our entry was 273.70. Now it is at 276.25. And coming to the margin requirements, these are our margin requirements, intraday margins. So in case if you want to open an account, you can open an account with us. So last 3 days I have posted. I like to post yesterday's calls, which I already have. I'll be posting this and even today's also. So that will complete our 5 days of trading. So the market is down now again. So I'll just wind up this meeting in a few minutes. So in case if you have any doubts, you please type in the chat box. So in case if you want to trade on positional or carryover basis, you'll be able to trade on a 30-minute chart.
There is a sell call in CROMPGR PAB1.
So we will not take this call. You can short it here in case if you want. 169.90. And sell call if I get red targets. See, these are your entry prices. So I'll tell you how to trade in this. It's very simple. As soon as you get red here, let's say in IOC, you short one lot of IOC in futures at the current market price, and then try to book your profits here. First target will be your intermediate target level, and your next, or else you can keep trailing your stop losses. This is the stop loss for the entry. 336 is the stop loss for entry of 333.60. And then you just book your profits at whichever level you're comfortable. Like let's say now the profit is around 11%. It's actually not 11%. 11% is calculated on the span margin from NSC. But in case if your broker gives you more, I'll show you 329, 333. So that's roughly 4 rupees profit here. So 4 rupees profit in the sense that's 4,000 rupees is your profit for an investment of 5,500. That is more than 80% profit. So, but what you are seeing here is the span margin that is given by NSE, 11%, but it is 8 times that when you compare it with your intraday margin from your broker. So we charge a brokerage, intraday margin of 5,500 rupees for IOC. So for that, you have made a profit of 4,000 rupees. That means that's more than 80% profit. So that's how you should be calculating a return on your investment. Whatever you have invested, you should be able to get the returns on that. And these margins are intraday margins. It's not carryover margins. So that's how we calculate. And at the end of the day, if you just check what is your investment and what is your profit, it will be very good results. So always make sure so you get intraday margin as low as possible, and try to book profits as soon as possible. And that way you'll be able to trade. You'll be able to make profits in a short period of time. You don't have to actually trade the full day. That is with this Futurestree application. So I'll just wind up this meeting now.
There is a sell call in Arvin 1.
Sir, who is your broker?
Sensitive textiles and Arvind call. So in case if you have any clarifications, you can call me on this number, or you can mail me on this ID. And I have recorded the video from 9:10. So in case if you want to cross-check all your trades, you'll be able to check the video on YouTube, for which I'll just post the link. And for the results, that is the profit and loss in the calls that we trades what we had today, you can just check even that also on YouTube. So thanks for coming.